Hello friend, welcome to the Java puzzle. This is a continuation of our previous video where we discuss about the 5 exercise in a Stream API. So we will continue from there. So last time we see some exercise over to obtain a list of product with category book and price is greater than 100. Then we see there is a two other type to get the result, right? Then after our second exercise was to get the list of order with product category book. Then we have a list of product with category toy and apply the 10% discount. Then we see the list of product ordered by the customer of tier 2 between the date 1 Feb 2021 to April 2021. Then the last one was the get the three cheapest product of the book and category. So after we see the recap, or if you didn't check that video, so I will add in a description section, you can check from there. So today we will start from the exercise 6, get the three most recent place order. So similar to the previous exercise, the obvious solution, if I will open this and here I will start to write. So similar to the previous exercise, the obvious solution is to sort the order record by the order date field, right? But the tricky part is that the sorting this time should be in descending order such that you can obtain the order record within the most recent order date, right? And it can be achieved simply by calling comparator dot reversed. So I will show you how we can achieve that. So list of order, we have result is equal to order repo dot here you will see find all dot stream dot sorted, and here you will see inside the sorted, if I will show you one thing, sorted and there is another method which is as a comparator as a parameter we are using here. So we will use this comparator with parameter. Okay, so here because here we have to sort in a reverse manner, right? So comparator dot comparing, you will see comparing, and what should we want to compare? So order ID, right? So order and get order ID or get ID, get ID. Okay, then because now it would be sorted, but we required a last we can say, because we need this in a reverse manner, so we will use reversed. Okay, now it will sorted in a reverse manner. Then because we required only three most recent place order, right? So for that we can use dot limit of 3 and collector dot to list. If I will run this program, so you will see out and result. So if I will run this program and you will see the output. So here you will see here there is a 3 order which is a recent order, right? First order is this. Then if I will scroll here, so you will see the order second. Then I'll scroll, so order third. So after the order third, nothing is there, right? Only order third is there. Then we will discuss now exercise 7 to get the list of product which are ordered on 15 March of 2021. So here I will just open it. So before moving to the coding, you can see that this exercise involves two actions. Or here, like if I want to add here something more interesting here for the exercise 7, and if I will say to get a list of product which was ordered on the 15th March of 2021 and log the order records to the console. Give me a enter. Okay, and then returns it product list. Okay, so now you can see that in this exercise it involved two actions. First one is to write an order, right? Write an order to the console, and second one is a product, produce a list of product. So generating different output from a stream is not possible. First thing you should have to know. Then how can we fulfill this requirement? So apart from running the stream flow twice, operation P allow execution of system logic as part of stream flow. So the sample solution run peak. Okay, so this one you will see how we can use the peak here. Okay, peak from the stream API. So generally the operation peak allow execution of system logic as part of stream flow. Okay, so in this solution we will use peak to write order record to the console right after data filtering. Then subsequent operations such as flat map will be executed for the output of product record. So let's see how we can implement that. So firstly, we need a list of product, right? So I will just create a object of list of product, and result is equal to order repo dot find all dot stream, okay, dot filter. So here we need a filter about we can say a date we required, right? Because the first condition is to date should be 15th of March 2021. So if I will add here o dot get o dot get order date dot is equal, okay, and here because we need a date, so we will pass local date, and inside the parameter you will see inside the parameter we have to, okay, 1 minute, local date of, and here you will see there is a 3 parameter we have to pass. First one is the year, then month, and then day. So our year was 2021, month is 3, and the day is 15. So our filter part is done. So after the filtering we will use here peak. Okay, so in a peak we have to pass consumer as a parameter. So here firstly what we have to do, we have to log the order record to the console. So I will do that here to like O and south, and inside it we will just log our detail. So O dot to string, okay. Then we have after the peak we will use the flat map, okay, and flat map will be execute our output to the product record. So here o dot get product dot string, okay. So after this string we can use the distinct, okay, and then we will collect our list here. So after that if I will print that, so result look like this. Here you will see there is a 3 order we can see, and this product is here. And if you will see all the date was the order date, you will see the 15th of March of 2021. All 3 order is there. Then these we are consoled, right? The order we console here, and this is the exact output. So we can see also, we can verify that all the order is from the 15th of March, and these are the product detail, right? With this, now let's move to the exercise 8. So in this exercise we have to calculate the total lump of all order placed in February 2021. So I will just expand this and go in the place. So all previous exercise was to output a record list by a terminal operation, right? So let's do some calculation this time, and this exercise is to sum up all product order in Feb 2021. As you can go through the previous exercise, you can easily obtain the list of product using filter and flat map operation. Next, you can make use of map to double operation to convert the stream into a stream of data type double by specifying the price field as a mapping value. So at the last, terminal operation sum will help you add up all value and return the total value, because here we need the total lump of all order placed, right, in Feb 2021. So in this case, we will use, as I told you, first thing we need a double, right, because output we required in a double. So double of result is equal to, the first thing is to order repo dot get dot find all dot string. Till here we are good, right? Then the next thing is to filter here. So what we have to do here, we have to firstly add the filter, so we can get all the order from for the Feb 2021, because we don't have any date specified. So we will use 1st of Feb, okay, to we will filter 1st of Feb to last of Feb, because that is a that can be 28 or can be 29, right? So what we will add the filter from 1st of Feb to maximum to 1st of March. So that will take all the 1 month of Feb, right? So according to that, we will just use I can copy this order filter order, right? So I will copy this and I will just change the date here. Okay, so first thing we have 21 is fine, month would be 2 and day would be 1. Again I will paste here, and this time what we have to do, oh, and one more thing, like is equal, instead of is equal we will use, here you will see there is a compare to, okay, and in a compare to we will just provide here greater than equal 0, okay. And for this, let me remove this, so I will copy this again. And here I require the month should be 3 and it should 1 is fine, and greater than 0, fine. Then here we required a flat map, okay. So flat map of get products dot string. Then here we have to map into a double. So map, here you will see map to double. So map to double, and what we are going to map here, so p dot get price. So price would be double, and then after we can use the sum. Okay. So what it's showing, replace with is before call, okay, and replace lambda with method reference, okay. Method reference also we can use, so I will just change it to method reference and is before and is after. That also we will check, but for now compare to is fine. So if I will print this, and the result you will see here, so output you will see 11,995.36. so that is the total lump of all order placed in Feb 2021. Okay, so let's move to the second part, other. So here we can also use reduce with by function for this same exercise. So this is exercise for you, and you have to comment me below how we can do this exercise using the reduce and by function. The one process I already discussed with you, right? And I want to you comment me what would be the output and what is the coding for this exercise 8a, right? So this is a task for you. Now I will directly move to the 9. If you don't have any clue how we can use the reduce with by function, just comment me below. I will provide the answer in a comment section only, but I want to know like you are able to do or not. So accordingly I will provide the answer for this. Okay, so I will directly move to the exercise 9. So in this exercise we have to calculate the order average, right? Order average payment placed on the 15th March of 2021. So order average, right? Order, let me correct this, order average price of all order, or yeah, average price of all order placed on 15th March of 2021. So in addition to the total sum, Stream API offer operation of average value calculation as well, right? So you will find that the return data type is different from sum as it is an optional data type. Okay, so the reason is that the data stream would be empty and so calculation won't output an average value for an empty data stream. So that's why it provide the optional as an output. So here we also required double as an output here. So let me do that. Double of result is equal to order repo dot find all dot stream. Fine. Then we have to filter because order placed on the 15th of March, so we have to provide here. So I will just copy this and let me minimize this and here I will just paste it. So 15th of March 2021, yeah, that is fine, all things are done. So then here we have to use flat map, right, to get all the average so to collect all the order and then we will perform our average there. Okay, so in a flat map we required the order of product, get product dot stream, and then here we need to convert in a double. Okay, and I will also use product dot get price dot average. We will see here. So you will see average is returned the optional double, right? So optional double. So here we need get as double and just print the output. So result here and the output would be, so here you will see the output, the average is 352.89, right? Yeah. So like you will see there is a one thing is showing the optional double get as a double without is present check. So we can use till here with because that is the optional double. So we will add the check condition here because if it is not a if it is a empty, okay, so the value should be a 0. So that is the scenario for this. So last one is the obtain static summary or obtain statistic summary of all product belong to book category. In this case what we have to do, we have to get all the statistics data like sum, average, max, mean, count for all product of category which is book. Okay, so how we will do that? Okay, so what if you need to get sum, average, max, mean and count at the same time? Should we run the data stream 5 times to get those figure one by one? Such an approach is not quite effective. Luckily, Stream API provide a convenient way to get all those values at once by using terminal operation, and that is a summary statistic. It returns a data type double summary statistic which contain all required figure. If you don't know about the double summary statistic class, so I already create one video about that, so you can check that video for more detail. Okay, so let's start with our coding. So first thing is we required the output in the double summary statistic. So firstly I will create double summary statistics you will see here. Okay, and statistic is equal to, so here we require the product, so we will use the product repo here dot find all dot stream. So after the stream firstly we have to filter out the category should be book. So filter p dot get category dot equal ignore case books. Then we have to convert it into a map to double and just use product dot get price, and here at the last we will just use summary statistic. That's it. So if I have to print, right? So how I can print that? South, and let me use a string dot format, and here I will use count percent one percent, sorry, dollar D, then average uh, should be under this, and because that is the D. Okay, then average percent 2, and what type of this? It should be a type of float. Okay, then comma, the other thing which we require is a max, and max should be a percent of 3, and what type of value it would be? It's a f. Then the other we required is a mean, and then sum. So mean percent 4, right, and type is again f, and last one is the sum, and it would be a 5 and dollar $f, right? And now we need the data, so I will just enter here. So first one is the count, so statistic dot get count, same statistic dot what would be here, what we require? Average, right? So get average. Then the third one is a max, and then mean, sorry, statistic dot get max, then statistic dot get mean, and then statistic dot get sum. All the data we see here. Now the output, so you will see all the data is here. Count is 5, average is 607.88, max is a 893, mean is a 240, and sum is a 3039.40. So today in this video we see the next 5 exercise, and hopefully you will understand all the concept of these 5 advanced feature of the Stream API. Hope if you think this video is helpful for you, so please share with your friend, like, share and subscribe my channel, and please press the notification bell if you didn't do that. So next time when I will do the next 5 exercise over this Stream API, so you will get the notification. So thank you for today. Stay tuned. Bye.